Storytelling terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low full restrictions. Life is like a rainbow. Reasons why. Sounds poetic, right? But don't worry. We'll keep it real, relatable, and a bit hilarious. So yeah, life isn't perfect. It's messy, unpredictable, something confusing. But just like a rainbow, it is also colorful, meaningful, and worth noticing. And next time it rains, maybe stick around. You never know what might show up. One, you need a little rain to see it. No challenges, no growth, nor rainbow. Simple math. Two, it doesn't last forever. Rainbows come and go, just like moments. So enjoy the good ones while days shine. Three, it shows up when you least expect it. You're just minding your business. Boom, life surprises you with something beautiful. For every one sees it differently. Same rainbow, different angles. Same life, different perspectives. Five, it has many colors. Life isn't just happy or sad. It's a full spectrum of emotions. Six, you can't touch it, but you can feel it. Same of the best things in life aren't physical, they're emotional. Seven, it follows the storm. Tough times often leads to something better. Not always easy, but often worth it. Eight, it reminds you to look up. Sometimes you just need to pause and appreciate what's above and around you. Nine, it's rare but not impossible. Special moments don't happen every day, but they do happen. Then, it makes people stop and smile. Just like a good moment in life, it can brighten someone entire day. 11. Sometimes you miss it if you're distracted, looking down at your phone. Boom, you miss the rainbow. Same with life. 12. It doesn't need filters. Real beauty doesn't need editing. Nature and life already nailed it. 13. It appears after pressure and change. Rain plus sunshine equals rainbow. Pressure plus growth equals better you. 14. It connects different worlds. Sky meets earth. Dreams meet reality. 15. You can chase it forever. The more you run after it, the more it moves. Some things are meant to be expected, not chased. 16. It teaches patience. You don't rush a rainbow. You wait for the right moment.